What's up everybody, it's Tyler from Tacoma Lifestyle here, and today we're going to be installing the all-new center console MOLLE panels from Tacoma Lifestyle. Let's get started. So the first step in this process is to grab a Sharpie, and there's going to be 3 different holes, one right here, and one right here, and you're just going to want to mark those out. It's going to be the 3 smaller holes. There's going to be 2 on the front and 1 on the back. You'll see it kind of fits the curvature of the side of your center console, and then you're going to want to drill very small pilot holes with your drill just in the center of those markings to make it easier for our bigger drill bit. Once you've got those done, you'll want to take your 3/8 inch drill bit and very carefully drill through those holes as well. You don't want to nick or damage anything behind the plastic here. So just be very careful, go slowly. I know it's kind of hard to see with my sleeve in the way, but all I'm doing is drilling those out. Then you'll grab your 3 rib nuts and pop those into the holes that you just drilled. And as soon as you've done that, you'll take your long silver bolt as well as the hex spacer here, and you'll hand tighten that in each one of these rib nuts one at a time. Now there is only one, so you'll have to do it one at a time, but you'll grab your adjustable wrench and your 7/16 wrench right here and tighten that down. And what that's doing is crushing the rib nut behind there to basically crush it between the plastic to hold it in place. Once you've done that, you can do it to the other 2 on the front. And then once you've got that done, you can move on. From here on out, it's super easy. The hard part's over. All you have to do is take your spacer, your washer, and your bolt. You want to put the washer on the bolt, put it through the MOLLE panel, and then on the other side of the MOLLE panel, add your spacer, and then you can hand tighten it into the first thread there. Once you've done that, you can do the other 2 and make sure they line up, and then tighten them down with your wrench. And after that, you're all done. One other thing to note is that you want the MOLLE panel to bow inwards towards the center console, not outwards. The process is exactly the same on the other side. And if you want to pick a set of these up for yourself, they're available now at TacomaLifestyles.com.